Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content. This guy tries to steal this package, but the owner chases him down.
Hey! No, 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 no! Give me my package back. Why are you taking things? This is really expensive. Oh, yes, you did know.
You need.
Can you hear me?
I hear you.
I just wanted
So
to
you
know if you
hear
had what?
if I had what?
I'm so sorry. The audio is cut.
Make sure you keep those doors locked. These guys steal this Pontiac right out this driveway. They kept it off so they could keep quiet.
No reason for you to be here at 8 in the morning.
I'm sorry. It's early in the morning, so I'll never mind. I'm sorry to bother you.
Mm-hmm. Okay, well, you need to leave.
Okay, I'll leave.
It's either that or I if you break into the house, I shoot you. If you stay on my property, I call the police.
I said
Let me
I'll
know
leave.
down in the comments, what do you think her intentions
Thank
are?
you.
This lady tries opening up this door, claims she's looking for somebody.
Hello, excuse me.
Hello?
Hello.
Hi, is Nikki here?
You have the wrong house.
Oh, jeez, I'm sorry. Thank you.
If you have a doorbell camera, make sure you secure it with the screws provided to prevent this from happening.
For real?
Can I help you?
Man, I don't give a damn. Yeah, is James here?
No, you came here the other night, and
This is
I
Don.
already told you that nobody lives here that you know.
Well, I saw it.
This guy decides to go clothes shopping in his garage.
Can I help you? Why are you on my property?
Hello. Hello.
Don't forget about your other delivery options,
Yeah.
or at least try to grab your package as soon as possible. This guy tries to steal a bike, but the shop owner gets him just in time.
Yo, what the fuck? You about to get shot?
Don't forget to keep those doors locked. This holiday season, these thieves are gonna get real desperate. This owner tried to do the right thing and lock up his bike, but this thief came with some bolt cutters.
Yeah, she fucking, yeah. They know 4 days in advance. For real though? What time? Oh, yes, perfect. Not perfect out. I don't know. Just want niggas to dark time.
Hey, hey, hey.
Don't forget to lock those doors. Also, try to refrain from keeping personal information in your vehicle. A lot of people keep their purse that has their social security, their identification, credit cards. As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a blessed and safe holiday.
I'm sorry. Go. Here's my car. I'm sorry, player. Hey, nigga trying to break into my fucking car.
Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Don't forget to like and subscribe.